Hello friends, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to see a simple way to create YouTube channel art, which you will see in your YouTube channel page. If you are someone who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel or a beginner YouTube creator, this video will greatly benefit you. I am going to create a sample channel art and I am going to give you some tips along the way, so stay tuned. I am Jeswyn. Let's get into the video. This is Canva.com, an online graphic design tool. If you are new, just believe my word. Don't go anywhere else than Canva. Most of the Canva's features are free and it is very easy and simple. If you want to subscribe for Canva Pro, you can do that. But believe me, Canva free offers so much. For beginner creators, it is more than enough. I do have an affiliate link in my description if you want to buy Canva Pro. That being said, let's start create YouTube channel art. So the right side top, you can see a link, create a design. Click that. So there is a search box. Just search YouTube. So you will see what are the things you can do with this, and you are seeing YouTube channel art. Just click that YouTube channel art. A new page will open. You no need to worry about dimensions. This all taken care by Canva. But you need a template to design this YouTube channel art because this channel art is displayed differently in different devices. What you have to do, just go to a search engine and search YouTube channel art template. Go to images. So here you can see so many templates. Download a template and upload it in Canva. To upload this template in Canva, in the left hand side, you will see a upload link. Just click that. You can click upload media and you can click that image from wherever you have downloaded that image. Drag and drop image here will also work. Now click this image. This will insert this image in the empty canvas. So position it and go to the right side top. You will see a lock button. Just lock the image so that this image will not move anywhere else. Why we have to use this template? You see this dark area here, dark gray. Only this area will seen in the mobile, and you see little light gray area here, and only this area will seen in the tablet. And you seeing this lighter long triangle, only this area will be visible in desktop. This whole area will be visible in TV. So when you design this YouTube channel art, you have to be very careful about designing things. If you did not use this template, your picture will be misplaced and look awkward in those devices. As I am going to design this YouTube channel art, here is a simple tip for you. If you are a YouTube beginner or someone who want to start a YouTube channel, don't waste much of your time designing and creating this channel art and your logos and everything. Some creators will end up in this infinity loop of designing this channel art and making it perfect and making it more beautiful. Actually, that's a waste of time. 99.99% of viewers will subscribe your channel by seeing your content, not this channel art. So make it simple and convey what you want to do through your channel. That's enough. Don't try to show off all your potential in this channel art. My channel name is Jeswyn, that's my name. And the concept of my channel is total content creation. I am trying to help the individuals or those who want to success in the social media or for digital marketing. I want to help those people to create content for their particular interest. So I am going to try to convey this idea through this channel art. I am going to see is there any picture that convey my idea. So I want to insert a picture. So just click these three buttons left side more. Here you see lots of other things you can use in this Canva. So here you see the Pexels. Pexels is a free picture website that you can download and use it for your social media. There is no problem. So I'm just trying to search content creation. Let's see, is there any picture which convey my idea. I like this picture. I think it's a mouse. Yes, I'm just positioning this picture here. This can be a backdrop to the text I'm going to type here. So what I'm trying to do is just position this picture and I will reduce the transparency a little bit, like say 30%, so that I can see the areas which I can comfortably use. And I will also lock this picture also. Later I will just increase the transparency. So this is the area that I can use it for mobile. So in order to type text, in the left side again you see text, click text. There you see so many styles. If you want to select a style, you can select, but if there is this small symbol, this symbol means pro, only pro users can use that, and all other styles we can use. I'm just going to add a simple heading, as I said. So I'm going to call this a total content making. So in this text you can edit all this text here. You can change font here. Just select this, click this and change the font, whatever font you like. Once you finished with your text, now you can add some styling element. Go to elements. So you will see so many elements that you can use in this design to beautify this design. Make it simple. Don't put too much graphics in the design. This is the image, so you don't need to use any animations. Go to graphics. You can search here also. Now let's increase the transparency of the picture to see how it looks like in the picture. Not bad. So let's try to give little more exposure to this text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the effects. Here you will see your text effects. There are several things you can make here to make your text more clear. So you can add shadow and you can select the color of your shadow. If you try to select a contrast color shadow and increase the transparency, immediately you will see your text looks more clear. Or you can go to add background to this particular text. Again, you can select the background color, maybe this color, and yes, you can also reduce the transparency. I think the shadow is good, so I am going to select shadow. Yeah, yes, that makes this text more defined. This looks fine. This is ready to download, so you can download this now, but don't close this window. You may need to do some fine tuning. So to download this image, go to share, and here you see this download button. Click download. The picture will be downloaded in your computer. It's downloaded, and now let's upload this image in our channel page and see how it fits. To upload this channel art, go to your YouTube channel, go to YouTube Studio. Left side you will see customization. Click that customization, and in the customization you will see branding. So go to branding. In the branding, banner image, the second one is, first one is picture, that's your logo, and the second one is banner image. So here I already have a picture. I'm going to change this. So you can upload or you can change. Just click this and open. Now because I used this template, viewable on all devices, that particular area is completely covered. Click done and publish. That's it. I am going to view my channel. This looks beautiful in desktop and it should look beautiful in mobile and tablets also. But there is a problem. See, I have missed a spelling here. There is a spelling mistake here. That is why I said don't close. So I am going to correct that. Here it is, my simple yet beautiful channel art. I hope this video is useful to you. If it is, like the video, subscribe my channel and make all notifications on so that you will not miss my videos. We will meet in another video. Thank you for watching. God bless.